Today I'm going to make a special arugula salad using pomegranate. We're going to open this pomegranate up and take the seeds, use it for a garnish. I'm also going to use some pomegranate juice to make a vinaigrette out of it to go over the salad. I got some fresh figs. I got a special way to prepare them. I'll show you that a little bit later. First, I'm going to make this pomegranate vinaigrette. So I like to make my vinaigrettes in a mason jar. Just put all the ingredients in here, shake it up, and then you have a container for the vinaigrette. We'll start with a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and that's our emulsifier. Add a tablespoon of honey and half a cup of pomegranate juice. Give it a pinch of salt, some fresh cracked pepper, and then add 1 cup of olive oil. That's our pomegranate vinaigrette. Just give this a shake. Of course, if you don't want to use a mason jar, a bowl and a whisk will work as well. And that's it. We got a pomegranate vinaigrette. Goes great with this salad. Now I'm going to take the pomegranate seeds out of the pomegranate. To do this, I'm just going to cut it in half, and then I'm going to quarter it. I have a bowl here with water, and to remove the seeds it's really simple. Just hold the pomegranate over the bowl of water and hit it with the back of a spoon, and the seeds will come out. And all the seeds are going to sink to the bottom, and any pith or anything will stay to the top of the water, and it'll be easily removable. You could just purchase a container of pomegranate seeds, but this is less expensive and it's really not difficult to do. You could see all the pith floated right to the top, and it's easily removable. And then we could drain the water, and we have pomegranate seeds. And you get a good amount from 1 pomegranate. So I have a saute pan. I'm going to take some pine nuts. I'm just going to give these a toast. Just to change the flavor of the pine nuts a bit, add another element of flavor to the salad. Keep an eye on this, you don't want to burn this. Pine nuts are expensive. You could use any nut here, walnuts, almonds, pecans. I happen to have some pine nuts in the pantry, so I'm going to use them today. Just move these around, and in a few minutes they'll be nice and toasted. Just like this. So we could set these aside. We don't want to leave them in the pan because the pan's still hot and they'll continue to color. And we don't want these to darken too much. So I have a block of Pecorino Romano, and I'm just going to take strips of cheese from this. Just with a vegetable peeler, run it along the cheese, and get these nice thin strips. The Pecorino Romano has a wonderful saltiness that goes with the peppery arugula. So I'll set the cheese aside, and I have some fresh figs. I'm going to take the ends off, and I'm just going to split these down the middle. And you could put these on the plate just like this, just fresh figs, but I'm going to take it 1 step further. So I have some turbinado sugar, and I'm just going to dip these figs into the sugar, like so. Put them on a tray here, and then I'm just going to take a torch and brulee them. And this is really going to make these figs taste amazing. Goes great with this salad. If you don't have a torch, just put them in your broiler until the sugar is caramelized. I used to prepare these figs for a salad in the restaurant, and I would eat more than made it to the plate, and that never sat well with the chef. But you could see why. These look just gorgeous, and they taste just as good as they look. I really recommend getting these figs and bruleeing them like this. So now we're ready to plate the salad. Grab a plate here, have some arugula in a bowl, put just a touch of olive oil, a little bit of salt, just to dress the arugula. Give that a toss. We'll put that on the plate here. And you always want to mound up your salad. You don't want it flat on the plate. Take our strips of cheese, arrange that over our arugula. A little more arugula over the cheese. And then a little more cheese and a touch more arugula. Bring back our toasted pine nuts. pomegranate seeds. It adds a beautiful color to the salad. and they taste great as well. And now for those gorgeous bruleed figs. Just put them around the salad, around the base of the salad. We would just put them on top of the arugula. It would weigh down the salad too much. And just spoon over some of that pomegranate vinaigrette to finish. And there it is, arugula pomegranate salad. If you're looking for a tasty salad that's just a little bit different, then this is the salad for you. Give this a shot, you won't be disappointed. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications so you never miss anything, and we'll see you next time.